Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to make a 3-tier resin tray and complete a tray set for a royalty presentation at your dinner table. So if you are interested in watching and learning various coming art videos, do hit the subscribe button below and turn on the bell notification to all. For materials, I am using silicone molds that are readily available online, craft resin and artisan mica powder. This is pearl white, bubblegum bath, bubble bath pink, and pure gold. I will be adding some gold flakes to blemish the center of the trays, and FW pure gold acrylic ink to paint the borders. I have poured the resin and mica powder in 4 separate paper cups and mixed them. You can watch my previous video for details on mixing. It's about white and gold coasters that belong to this set. To begin with, I am pouring pearl white resin on the outer circumference of the molds. This is the largest one that goes below and the smallest one goes on the top. And the center one. Next, I will add the colored resin from the center point to form a puddle that will give a fascinating design to the trays. This is bubblegum bath. Followed by bubble bath pink. A little pearl white, pure gold, bubble bath pink, pearl white, gold, bubblegum bath, gold again, in the middle tray I am adding bubble bath pink to give it a little different effect. Lastly, I am pouring a huge amount of clear resin at the center. There is already an exciting pattern forming and this is very mesmerizing to watch. Now I am using a blowtorch to pop up any superficial air bubbles. I do not want to use heat gun here as it will disrupt the resin and those beautiful pattern. In a small cup, I have mixed gold flakes in clear resin, adding them at the center. I will leave this aside for a couple of days for the resin to fully cure. This is the result. After 2 days, I have demolded the trays and painted the borders with gold acrylic ink and added a layer of clear resin on top and also on the borders. You can watch my previous video of making the white and gold coasters and how I made those borders with gold. I will paste a link in the description below the video. I have attached the 3-tier cake handle with a screw and secured it. One can add any food item here as the resin used for making is food safe. Here is a close-up. You can appreciate the shiny and richly pigmented mica powder and all the patterns formed by pearl white, gold, and bubble bath colors. Here is the complete set I made. A large tray with huge clear crystals over the handle. I made these crystals with liquid diamond resin. You can see the beautiful radiating lines that are formed in this rectangular tray. They are so eye-catching and looks very sparkly. It is a durable tray that can bear a lot of weight. The handles are strong enough and convenient to lift the tray. This is the 3-tier cake stand and a set of 6 coasters. Thank you for watching the video, and next I will be doing a free giveaway art series for my lovely subscribers. I am about to reach my 1000 subscribers soon. If you are interested in watching more coming art videos and want to enter the free giveaway contest for a month with multiple winners, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification icon. To watch the beautiful coasters video, click the thumbnail on the left side of your screen, and to watch how I made this crystals handle for the tray, click the video on the right side of your screen. Take care and bye!